Hey guys, I have not been inspired in a while with any makeup looks, but when I saw Zendaya with her little cute white eyeshadow, I was like, that would not work on me, but that actually looks fun to do. And then literally the next day I saw her little smoky cat eye and I was like, that looks super cute too. And then last night she had the look with her frizzy hair and the like light mauve lips. I'm like, oh my gosh, these looks just keep getting better and better. And yeah, I feel like I've had no inspiration with makeup, but she made me want to play with makeup again, and here we are. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the two looks and then bonus with kind of the light mauve lipstick. I had to go do this eye off camera. I was sweating like crazy. I mean, I just came back down and sat down and I'm sweating again. It is disgustingly humid and hot in here, but I'm gonna get through this. There's no AC right now in the office and only in our bedroom, so I'm gonna have to like keep taking breaks and go back and forth, but hopefully I'll be done quick because this look is actually pretty fast. So I'm gonna use my Fuck Off palette by Beach Cosmetics. It's what I always use for my smoky eye because I just need 3 shades in here, and it's just a brown, gray, and black. Use any brown, gray, or black. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna film during summer. I'm gonna take brown shadow and a big fluffy brush. Have I done this look a million times? Yes. I do not like repeating looks, but the main reason, okay, well, 2 main reasons. If I only did her white look, that would have been extremely fast. It would be like 2 minutes fast because like all you gotta do is put white in your inner corner and you're good. But 2, there were 2 main things about her look that was different for me. 1, I loved how messy it was. Like, it was very grunge. There was no cut crease, you know, because I like to perfect my cut creases on my hooded eyes, and she also had hooded eyes. So yeah, like I said, it was very messy and grunge. So I kind of wanted to step out of my comfort zone and get messy, and yet I still feel like this isn't messy, which, okay, I failed in that area. Okay, well, technically, I didn't do a cut crease. That's new to me. Okay, maybe it's messy a little there, but not doing a cut crease is also out of my comfort zone, so I guess that's messy for me. And the second thing, which I haven't done yet, is if you look at her inner corner, the highlight or her inner corner color is a light gray. And I was like, okay, that's new. You know, you only see glitter or white or something shimmery, but it looks like a matte light gray. And I don't know why, but I feel like that would look weird or off on me. So again, I wanted to try something new. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that gray. On the outer and inner part. I really hope it's not showing up on the camera because in the mirror I can see that my face is sweating everywhere. Now I'm going in with the black, putting that in the same spot as the dark gray, inner and outer. So her eyeshadow is winged out, so I'm getting that dark gray and winging it out. It's like winged out and then blended. I just didn't want to use tape. I probably would have sweated it off anyways. I feel like you can be messy with that wing since the eyeliner wing will be sharp and kind of clean that up better. Now I'm going to use that white for the middle of the eye. And I'm gonna use Juvia's Place Lash and Kush. I'm gonna go do that off camera while I wipe off my face. Okay, so this next part is the part that I'm most curious about because there's like just a big blob of matte light gray eyeshadow right there, and I feel like that will look so weird on me. So I'm just gonna use my Karity matte palette, and we got a light gray right there. So we'll see how this is gonna look like on me. Zendaya can pull off practically anything, so you could put whatever look on her face. and she can work it, but I cannot do the same. Putting light gray as the inner corner would never cross my mind, so I was just super curious. Okay, the other main thing that pops out with her look is her blush is pretty reddish pink, and the closest I have to that is my Danessa Myricks Rosé and Brunch blush, and it does go all the way up here, which I don't like, but I'm gonna do that. For bronzer, I just put on my Physicians Formula bronzer because I needed to put on a powder bronzer. I do not need any more wet stuff on my face. In her other picture, honestly, it looks like it's the same blush. It's probably not, but it just looks like this blush, but just way lighter. Like there was just like one tap of the blush versus this look where there's like 3 taps of the blush. But I'll still try another blush out for the next look. I actually don't mind the blush all the way up here. I don't know, on me I feel like it's too obvious, but because I mean that's where I would put my highlighter. I would just concentrate my blush usually up here. I try not to go all the way up here, but again, I feel like it looks off on me, but for some reason with this look, it works. Maybe I just need to see these looks on someone else so I know it's possible to do on my face, if that makes sense. Her highlighter just looks like a normal white highlighter, so I'm just gonna use a normal white highlighter, which is my Mary Lou Manizer highlighter. See, I would just never do this combo. I would never do a smoky eye with bright red blush. I stick to my comfort zone and that's that, but I feel like it does work. And honestly, I feel like I could probably put more blush, but I'm not gonna do that. With her nude lips, again, a lot of like the face makeup I was just gonna keep and then change the eye makeup, but there are slight differences. Like even though with her white look, she's also using a nude lipstick. The nude lipstick there is a lot more pink, and the nude lipstick in this, the brown lip liner, is darker and there is more of a gloss. So for lip liner, I just use Colourpop's Lippie pencil in BFF3, and for my nudie gloss, I'm going to be using Artist Couture's Uncensored 2.0, one of my favorite lip gloss liquid lipsticks, because it's practically a liquid lipstick and the gloss in one. I feel like it made this look even more gray. Okay, so looking at the picture again, I'll put it right here. There's a little bit of pink in the nude. I feel like this is pure nude. And again, I think it's just pulling gray or cool tones because of this look too. So with her nude gloss, there's a little bit of pink in there. And still with the picture, I still think I could go some more with the red and pink, and it's like all the way up here. I think the only thing I would change is I would just make this way more obvious and then maybe get a more pinky nude gloss, but I don't think I have one. We are done with this look. Let's go on to the white one. So the first thing that actually stood out to me about her look was how bright and white her under eye, like concealer slash highlighter up here was. It's pretty white and matte. And you know, with makeup videos, they teach you that's not what you want to do. You don't want this obvious like concealer look that will show up in flash. But I actually love that it's obvious. These looks just are different to me, and that's why I want to do them. It's very white and matte, and you can see that whole concealer triangle going like that. So for that, I'm using my lightest concealer, my Natasha Denona. I barely use this because this is too light for me. But I was too late to return this, so I just used this to lighten up other concealers. So I thought this was the perfect time to use this. Like, see how white that is? And for setting powder, I will obviously use a very white setting powder. And the whitest I have, or at least the most matte and powdery, is my KVD Shade and Light. I have no idea if this is still being sold. I'm trying to film this in the afternoon compared to the smoky eye when I filmed it in the morning. But I don't think it's helping because I'm still sweating. As you can see, look how shiny I am. So for this look, make your under eyes obvious and white. That is step one. Okay, step one. Very white setting powder. The eyes are gonna be super fast. I could probably get away by putting nothing in the crease and eyelid, but if you do look up close, like there are some pictures where you look up close, you can kind of see a brown here, like a brown eyeshadow. I'm just using the brown that's in here, and it looks like the brown is just like on the half of her eye, so I'm just keeping the brown like on the outer third. So I'm just using the white that's in my Karity palette because that looks like the most white out of all my eyeshadow colors. Just lightly tapping that all over the eye. It doesn't even look white, it just looks like my eye color. It's probably because the concealer's peeking through. I feel like it's not popping up that much on me. She does have like some brown on her lower lash line, like dark brown. So I'm just taking the dark brown that's in here, and it doesn't go all the way. It looks like it stops like in the middle of her eye. That does not look good. Dude, that is like dragging my eyes down. Okay, the other big thing was her lashes. I just looked up anime lashes because it's like long, nothing, long, nothing. So I just got these lashes on Amazon. See what I mean? It's like long, nothing, long, nothing. Yeah, so I'm hoping these look like it. I have very almond shaped eyes, so I don't know what's going on because my eyes look more round. And Zendaya also has almond shaped eyes, but hers still look almond. So again, we got the white inner corner, the obvious white matte under eye. Now we just need the very light pink blush. There's no highlight at all. And then the nude lips. So I'm gonna be using Saie's blush in Sweetie. It's pretty light pink. Okay, now with the lips, if you zoom in, you can see that her lip liner is actually really brown nude and her lipstick is more of a pink nude. So that's what we're doing. The brown nude lip liner I'm using is light brown from e.l.f. Their Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner. And now for the pink nude lip glossy color, we're going again with e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. This is the closest pink nude I have, and it's glossy, so there's 2 in 1. Okay, I went to go wash my hands, and it does look better in person, which is weird because usually it looks better in the camera, but then again, I haven't edited this yet, but in person I can really see the white. Like, it does look like the look. I don't know how it's gonna look in video, but I swear it looks like it in person. So again, looking at her look, we got the eyes, white in the corner, we got those little, whatever fake lashes you call these, light pink blush, brown lip liner, pinky lipstick gloss. I wonder if I just make my hair like hers, if it'll look okay, a little better. I feel like now it kind of looks more like her look. Okay, now for funsies, I want to do the look that literally just came out last night because she practically has nothing on her eyes. It's like her light mauve lips that are standing out. So I feel like we could do that. I'm gonna like take off my lashes and then like mess up my hair, and then maybe we can do that. Like, even if I comb my hair it's not gonna get as frizzy as hers. I think that hair is gorgeous. Like, I swear all the looks she's been doing, at least lately, like, she looks like she could be Morticia. Like, she would be the perfect Morticia. See, now my hair's like straight. Like, I want it to be all fluffy. Maybe like that. I look more like a lion. Yeah, sure, let's do that. But again, we're focusing. What is that? This last look on just the lips, because everything's natural. It just looks like she's wearing some dark brown on her lower lashes. It doesn't look like she's wearing any fake lashes. I feel like it's her lips and her hair that stand out, and they're like a light mauve. So I'm gonna be using NYX's Mauve Lip Liner. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna be using Ali Glein's brand, Ravie Beauty, in the shade Dahlia. Dang, now that, like, it looks way darker in the camera, but during daytime when I put this on, I swear it looked exactly like Zendaya's lips. I mean, hopefully when I edit this and I add more brightness, you could see that the lips are very similar. But yeah, now that it's darker, like, the lips look way darker compared to hers. So yeah, those are the two looks along with this lion look of mauve. I hope you enjoyed my video. And I'll see you guys in the next one where I'm not looking like this.